Hi guys, welcome to today's video. If you're new here, welcome. So glad to have you. My name is Danny. So today I want to talk to you guys about the Detox Market Detox Box. This is their January Detox Box. So this is the first box of the new year. If you're not aware of the Detox Market is a clean beauty store where you can shop all things clean beauty, but they also have a monthly subscription box, which is the Detox Box. And each month you will get at least, I believe you get at least you always get over $100 worth of products, and it normally features one brand, and it just really gives you a chance to test out some products that maybe you wouldn't have tried otherwise because you get such a great deal. Definitely if you want to see how much it costs, the more months that you get at a time, the cheaper it is. If you do 6 months at a time, you get, I believe it is $44 a box, which is such an amazing deal, especially when you're getting $100 or more worth of products. So this month's box is such a good one. As soon as I saw what it was, I was like, wow, this is amazing. Like, the value in this box is so good. So this is from a brand that I have tried products from before and I really enjoy it, and that brand is Evolvh. So they are a luxury green hair care brand that combines the purest ingredients with modern innovation focused on a deep restoration versus simply masking symptoms. Each product is formulated to improve hair health in the long run. So in each detox box, you'll get a little pamphlet which tells you about the brand, and then you also get a little Q&A section which tells you about the founder. So the founder or the maker of Evolvh is Boris Oak. So this is this guy right here. So it's cool to have a little pamphlet here telling you a little bit more about the brand, and then you get another piece of paper here which talks about the products that are featured in the box. So I'm gonna turn the camera around, I'm gonna show you the products, which is of course what you want to see. So let's just go ahead and get right to that. Alright, so before you open up the box, this is what the package looks like when you receive it in the mail. It says our exclusive picks inside, get ready to be obsessed. So this is what it looks once you open it up. Alright, so here is the box full of goodies, and you guys, this is such a good box. As you can see, we have all full-size products here, and one thing that I love about the Detox Market is that a lot of times they do feature full-size products. I know a lot of subscription boxes normally do sample sizes, which is great sometimes because it gives you a chance to try it without having to commit to a full size, but it's also really nice to have full sizes so that way you can really get the feel for a product. So yeah, so we have 5 full-size products here, which is so amazing. Okay, sorry, it went out of focus. All right, so we have 5 full-size products here. All right, so the first product here is the Ultra Shine Moisture Shampoo. So this is sulfate-free and gluten-free and also vegan. So this retails for $26. It says, give your strands the spotlight with this shine boosting shampoo, jam-packed with moisture-rich safflower and sunflower oils, nourishing seaweed extract, and strengthening amino acids. This color-safe formula is a no-brainer. So I've tried their shampoos in the past. I have not tried their moisture shampoo before. I've tried their volumizing shampoo. Actually, maybe I have tried a sample of their moisture shampoo. But I really enjoy their volume shampoo, which I have tried. Super gentle, but I also feel like it does a great job at actually cleansing your hair. Your hair it's not left feeling oily or not clean. So I really enjoy their shampoos. So super excited to have a full size of that one right there. And then you get the matching Ultra Shine Moisture Conditioner. This retails for $28. It says it's the perfect match for the moisture shampoo. This ultra hydrating conditioner leaves hair silky smooth well after washing, thanks to a conditioning blend of nutrient-dense oils and amino acids. All right, so this is the leave-in conditioner spray. I have not tried this one before. So this retails for $28. Silky manageable strands are just a spray away. This do-it-all leave-in conditioner contains protective rice bran extract and cumin seed oil to defend against heat, while bergamot fruit oil softens and detangles. I think conditioner sprays are great when you just have a knot in your hair but you don't feel like washing your hair or using actual conditioner to get it out, because I know sometimes you need something a little bit more than just brushing through your hair to get a knot out. At least I do, because I have pretty long hair, so sometimes it can get knots in it. So I like using a conditioner spray like this. I just find that it helps to get that It helps to detangle knots. Also, this is also good for protecting the hair, so you can use it for like heat as well. So detangle plus protect. So just and it also can help to kind of like smooth away like frizz and stuff like that. So yeah, brilliant shine, smoothing, and heat protection. Nourish and detangle with this water-based formula rich in powerful essential fatty acids and targeted organic and natural ingredients. Strengthens strands, eliminates frizz, and prevents breakage while protecting from heat and UV damage. Amazing hair awaits. So if you're curious about some of the ingredients, let me just get this a little bit closer, or some of the ingredients that they avoid, which are really important. So the evolution of clean hair care, there's no nasties, including no parabens, no silicone, panthenol or phthalates, no PEGs, DEA or artificial dyes, cruelty-free plus gluten-free plus vegan. Next up is a styling product. So this is their Total Control Styling Cream. This retails for $28. It says, take control of unruly tresses with this long-lasting silicone-free styling cream crafted with a blend of body-boosting flax oil and scalp-soothing safflower oil. It's the perfect sidekick to your hot tools. Strong hold for volume with movement and shine. So this is supposed to help with creating some volume, add some shine. It's a no build-up product, perfect for holding curls or waves when styling with an iron. Cocktails well with other stylish for added versatility. So a good styling product. Excited to test this out. I don't style my hair super often, but when I do, this would be a good one to test out. All right, and then the last product in here is their Ultra Flex hairspray. So this retails for $32. It says the Ultimate Flex. This alcohol-free, quick-drying hairspray, tapioca starch, builds touchable hold, while red raspberry seed oil strengthens and shields against UV rays. Use on wet or dry hair to refresh your style throughout the day. So this is something that you can use on wet or dry hair, and you can use it to refresh your style throughout the day. So let's see what it says on the back here. Strong, flexible hold and brilliant shine. Ultra Flex is a magnificent working hairspray with a strong yet flexible hold. It's fast drying, lightweight, and leaves hair feeling clean and soft with brilliant shine. All right, so I just did the calculations to see how much this is worth. So this is just the card with all the prices. So this box is a total value of $142. So seriously, if you're wanting to try Evolvh, this is such an amazing deal. If you do 1 month at a time for the Detox Market subscription boxes, it's $55. So even if you were doing 1 month at a time, or you just really wanted to try it once without like committing to like 3 months or 6 months, that is such a great deal, because again, this is a $142 value. I'm super excited to have all of these Evolvh hair care products. Definitely gonna be testing them out. Honestly, I kind of neglect my hair. I honestly like don't do much to it. I don't even brush my hair as much as I should, especially because it's so long. Also, I should probably brush it more often. I know that's gross, and that's probably why I get knots so often, because I don't brush it enough. But yeah, so if you guys are interested in trying any Evolvh products, this is a great way to test it out. I will have the Detox Market subscription box linked in the description box below. Also, if you didn't want to do the Detox Market box, I do have a discount code for Evolvh that will give you 15% off, and that code is DANI15. I'll have that in the description box below as well. But honestly, if you wanted to try a variety of things from Evolvh, definitely this box is a great way to do that. That would definitely be much more affordable than purchasing their products individually. But again, there is that discount code if you didn't want to get all of those products. Maybe you don't feel like you would use all of them. But maybe if you only wanted to try one of their products or 2 of their products, you could definitely use that discount code if you are interested. Of course, I never want to push discount codes on you guys. Like, if you don't want to use them, please do not use them. They're just there for you, to help you if you would like them. But yeah, so I just thought I would mention that. Maybe just using that discount code would be cheaper, but seriously, like $55 for all of these products is so good. And that's if you're getting 1 box at a time or just doing 1 box. So if you guys have tried anything from Evolvh, I would love to know what your thoughts are on them. Did they work for you? Did they not work for you? Do you have any favorites? I would love to know. But yeah, and also if you guys have any questions, please feel free to let me know. So yeah, I know that video was pretty quick, but hopefully you guys found it helpful. I do do want to do more Detox Box unboxings. I really enjoy getting Detox Market boxes. I also should mention this one was very kindly gifted to me by the Detox Market, so that I could show you guys this, and this isn't sponsored or anything like that. They did just kindly gift it to me, and of course I also was not required to make this video. I just wanted to because I want to share it with you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video and want to see more content from me in the future, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. That would be awesome. I would love to see some more growth this year. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers, so that's super exciting, but I would love to have you. All right, you guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope to see you all for the next video. Bye, guys.